Hello there, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'll be showing you the way of getting fonts name from an image just by using a simple website online. I have some images. Those are the images. I'm just trying to get the fonts name from those. Okay, what I'm going to do first of all, going to Google and searching for font squirrel. And from there going to the first link, that is fontsquirrel.com. This is one of the finest websites for fonts I have ever seen. So to find out the font's name from an image, simply go to font identifier, and when you are there, you'll be able to find upload image. Click there to upload the photos, but I'm just going to drag the photos I have from the folder to the website, and it's being uploaded. It may take a little while based on the size of your image. Just wait patiently until it loads its full. Now the image is loaded properly. Now simply drag the positions to highlight the font you are trying to find. Okay, I'm just highlighting the text, the middle text of the image. Okay, now I'm done with the text in the box. I'm simply going to click on match it. It will find the best matching fonts for you. Okay, it's working on this. And yes, the results are there. Font that match your image, the image that I have uploaded, are there. First two you can see, I think this is the most matched one for the text, for the image that I have searched with. This is the text, and the next one. And remember, the orange color you can see, the bar, are free. Okay, but the other ones with light blue is not free. It may cost $30 for you to purchase. And to download this font, what you need to do, simply click there and it will take you to the font to download, and simply click on the download bar to download the font, and it's absolutely free. You can use it for your commercial purpose. Okay, it's asking me to download. I'm not going to download it. Okay, and there's a simple way of finding out font's name from an image just by using a simple website online, as you saw on the video. And lastly, if you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. And if you have any better idea, then please don't forget to share us on the comment box. See you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.